In this video, I'll show you how to fully set up the ultimate Discord server. First, create your server by clicking the plus icon in Discord and selecting Create My Own. Give your server a clear name and upload an icon that represents your community or brand. Next, set up your channels and categories. Create separate sections like announcements, general chat, support, and voice channels. Keeping things organized makes your server easier to navigate. After that, configure your roles and permissions. Go to Server Settings, then Roles, and create roles like Admin, Moderator, and Member. Assign proper permissions to control who can manage messages, kick users, or access certain channels. Now add some useful bots. Popular options include moderation bots, music bots, and leveling bots. These help automate tasks like filtering spam, welcoming new members, and managing your server. You should also set up rules and onboarding. Create a rules channel and use Discord's onboarding feature so new members understand how your server works. Finally, customize your server with emojis, banners, and settings to match your theme. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.